how to sell Bitcoin on Binance and transfer to bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be talking about how you're going to be able to sell your Bitcoin on Binance in the easiest way possible. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end. So to talk about this, what we are going to be doing is we are going to go ahead into our Binance and we're going to come to trade, and you're going to go into spot trading. And once you go into spot trading, obviously if you have any Bitcoin that you want to exchange and transfer it to your bank, what you're going to do is you're going to do two things. So obviously over here, you're going to go with Bitcoin, and here you're going to choose a different coin. So this is obviously Bitcoin with USDT, which is your USD tether. Now, in the case that you want to, transfer it to your bank, USD Tether would be the best currency to do it in, because USD Tether is a stable coin and it's like the closest to your dollar. So transferring it from Bitcoin to your USD Tether would be the best way to do it. And once you transfer it to your USD Tether from the Tether, just transfer it to your wallet, and yeah, that will basically, be transferring Bitcoin to your bank. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can transfer or sell your Bitcoin on Binance and transfer it to bank in the easiest way possible. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.